All right, guys, we're going to be talking about the dogs of the Dow today. Now, this is a really cool concept, and you may know about this, but I didn't, and so I'm really excited to share this with you. I was on a live Q&A call with my software users, just answering their questions and stuff, and I was talking with one of the users, and they were mentioning how they purchased this investing course because they just wanted to learn more, right? And so I was going through the course structure, and it mentioned something called the dogs of the Dow, and I didn't know what that was, so I researched it, and I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to share it with you guys. All right, guys, so the dogs of the Dow is a very simple concept. What it is it is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So this used to be the big wig before the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is what we track and what we watch to see how the overall market is performing. And the reason why we watch SPY is because it contains the most recent, up-to-date, large U.S. companies in the market, and like it has up-to-date stocks. For instance, it used to have General Electric and stuff like that, Ford, whatever, but it also has newer stocks like Tesla, and because of that, it tracks and has a good representation of the overall market. But before the S&P 500, everybody used to watch the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And so, just like the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average tracks stocks to get a judge of the overall market. And so this concept is you take the highest performing dividend stocks from the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you invest in those, and statistics show that it actually beats the market in the long run. Not massively, but at least it gives you a good understanding. Now, let me go through the top stocks for the 2021 dogs of the Dow. The 2021 dogs of the Dow in descending order based on dividend yield is this: Amgen Inc., ticker symbol AMGN, with a dividend yield of 3.06%. Cisco, stock symbol CSCO, with a dividend yield of 3.22%. Chevron Corp, which has a ticker symbol of CVX, with a dividend yield of 6.11%. Whoops, that's out of order. Anyways, Dow, which is Dow Inc., ticker symbol DOW, dividend yield 5.05%. IBM, stock symbol IBM, dividend yield of 5.18%. Coca-Cola Corporation, stock symbol KO, with a dividend yield of 2.99%. And we have 3M Corp, which is stock symbol 3M's MMM, with a dividend yield of 3.36%. MRK, which is Merck and Company, which is dividend yield 3.18%. Verizon, stock symbol VZ, with a dividend yield of 4.28%, and Walgreens Boots, which is a ticker symbol of WBA, or a dividend yield of 4.69%. So these are the top 10 dogs of the Dow for 2021. And so again, how does this strategy work? Again, on a yearly basis, you take the top 10 highest dividend yield stocks from the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you invest in them, and then you hold. So this is like a reallocation process. So for those who like to change up their portfolio, this is done on typically a once-a-year basis. And if we can look at the performance, it performs well overall. Again, back in 2008, it actually performed worse than the overall market. But in general, we see a slight outperformance in the market as well. For instance, 2015, when the market had that crash, and 2016, when it was in that slight recovery recessionary period, we actually massively outdid those as well. And so the dogs of the Dow is cumulatively doing better when you compare it to the overall S&P 500. So again, it's not a massive outperformance, but for those who like to play with their portfolio, for those who want to see some greater returns and just want a more hands-on approach while consistently beating the market, the dogs of the Dow is a great way to do that. So guys, I would definitely recommend you check out these top 10 lists. Again, if you want to learn more about these stocks, if you want to learn exactly where you should be buying these stocks and more, check out the Impeccable Stock Software 14-day free trial. If you type in a stock, for instance, Cisco here, it's going to show you the exact game plan for that stock, where to buy, where to sell, and for what reason. It's going to help you get all the information you want about a stock in one place with a click of a button. button. Also, if you don't want to invest in the dogs of the Dow and you want to find other stocks, this helps you find amazing stocks before they explode using the Impeccable Stock Screener. All right, guys, the 14-day free trial is linked below, but I hope you enjoyed this video with the dogs of the Dow. I will leave the link to the 2021 dogs of the Dow list below in the description if you want to check those out as well. All right, guys, smash that like button and subscribe, and I will see you next week to help you conquer the markets and invest and trade consistently. All right, guys, see you next week.